G'day! In today's video, I've got a HP 15-FC0053AU laptop, and I want to replace the thermal paste on the APU, or the CPU. It's got a Ryzen 7250U, or something along the lines of like that. But upon initial booting up, it's running at about 60 degrees, which to me is a bit too high. So I want to crack this open. Hopefully there's no screws under these feet here, which are on previous models. Oh, no. So I managed to pry up a little bit over here. And if I grab a pry tool, what have we got going on? Bingo. Cool, that's popping. What have we got? We've got RAM that can't be upgraded. We have a replacement NVMe drive over here. So we've got a Western Digital SN740 256 gig model. Now, since I'm going to take off this, I probably want to take the battery out as well. So I'll start by taking the battery out. That has the model number AE03XL. Screw over here. Flip that over to make sure I don't rip this cable off. Go. If I go over here, here's where I want to focus on. A teeny tiny cooler. That thermal paste is absolutely toast. No wonder it was cooking. I think it's so small. I'm nearly out of isopropyl alcohol. It's almost comical, this size of this cooler. I've seen some better days, look at these. Now I'm just going to use some GD 900 thermal paste. Some budget stuff that I've got that does a perfectly fine thermal performance. And it's pretty cheap, and it comes in a fairly large pot of grease. Alright. Go. So really that's about all I need to put on there. Push this down here. Go. Go. Now put the battery back in. Just kind of need to go under these cables here. Some tweezers may help set that up. Go. Push. There. Let's get those screws back in. And then we're basically on the home stretch. Hello. How are you?
My partner pressed something on my laptop, yeah?
While I've got it off, just quickly tighten these ones up. They do tend to come loose over time. And then brake hinges. Go. Just here. Go, and then the larger screws go in the back, and the smaller screws go in the front.
My man.
Oh. Here. Yeah, man. There we go. Hope that helps, and see you later. Bye.